My name is Diploma Biologist Tobias Dornbusch, and I started to work with elephants and to study about elephants in 1995, so more than 20 years ago. I work in zoos and safari parks as an elephant behavior consultant, and altogether until now I worked with 27 elephants in 8 different zoos. In the zoos where I worked, I changed the keeping system from the so-called direct contact or free contact to the protected contact. That's always is a barrier between the keepers and the elephants to protect the keepers from the elephants, but also to protect the elephants from punishment, because there is no punishment and no cruelty in the protected contact system. And so the system is very much more natural and good for the elephant's welfare.
Lift, 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 good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy.
I trained the elephants in the so-called target training. It's a training just with the usual wood stick and with positive things like giving food if the elephant do it correct, but no punishment if the elephant do it not correct. If the elephant do it not correct, you just go back a step and ignore the elephant for a short time.
Good boy, good boy,
With this target training, it is possible to make some medical treatment with the elephants, for example feed care, because in zoos and safari parks the toenails of the elephants sometimes grown up a little bit too much, and because the elephants are not so much walking like in the wild, and then it is necessary to make a small pedicure with the elephants to cut the toenails. And so this care of the toenails, this feed care is necessary in zoos sometimes, and it's possible with this target training in a very easy way. And also some other medical treatment is possible with this target training. I rebuilt some elephant enclosures for the protected contact to make it more safety for the elephants and for the keepers. So building new barriers for the elephants, so-called target walls, or just make the enclosure more safety, that the elephants cannot escape out of the enclosure, or that the keepers have not to close the doors or to open the doors in a direct way next to the elephants, but in a protected way with a barrier between the elephant and the keepers. I also transported elephants. I transported adult, big and dangerous elephant bulls, but in a special transport container and with a very experienced staff, with a very good team of veterinarians and of elephant keepers. And we also transported elephants from country to country in these special containers in a very, very safety way. Very important is also the enrichments for the elephants' welfare. It's not only to make an enclosure safe and to make a medical treatment with the elephants. Very, very important is the enrichment, that the elephants have an interesting enclosure, they always have something to do and have much input for their brain. So the enrichment is a very, very big part of my work in those with elephants. I think in all zoos where I worked, it's become a big improvement to the keeping of the elephant. So it was very successful, I like to say.